Good day all of you. Today we are going to discuss about how lipids are useful in our body. We all know that we can get energy from carbohydrate, then second is protein, and then third is lipids, and then vitamin and water. These are the essential things required in our for energy and which are present in food component. Today I am going to focus on how lipids are useful for our body. Now you all know that lipids are nothing but they are a compound having a chemical bond between fatty acids and alcohol is called lipids. Now what happens after digestion of lipid, but their digestion of lipid, it get converts into a distribute into two component, that is fatty acids and alcohol. Now alcohol get eliminated from our body through the urine process, but these fatty acids are absorbed and distributed everywhere within the body. Now from those fatty acid, different cell produce various different substance necessary for themselves, and the molecule called as phospholipids means the phosphorus and lipid bond, which is essential for producing plasma membrane. Where the plasma membrane is located? It is located around the cell membrane, means each and every cell is having a plasma membrane, and which is formed by these phospholipid bonds, and this phospholipid is formed with the help of fatty acid. So fatty acid is as important as for each cell. Now beside fatty acid, beside that, it is also used for producing the hormones like progesterone, estrogen, testosterone, aldosterone. These are all hormones which are being secreted by various different glands of our body, and etc. Means such type of different hormones are also produced with the help of fatty acid, and covering all our axons of the nerve cell. They are covering means they are also present around the axons of our nerve cell. So this is the essential factor of the lipid. Now the excess of lipid that we eat, they get deposited inside the adipose tissue. Means the lipids, excess of lipids can be stored in the body in the form of fatty acid within the adipose tissue, and we get 9 kilocalorie energy per gram of lipid. Means we have discussed initially that per gram of protein will give 4 kilocalorie and per gram of lipid will give 9 kilocalorie. That's why lipids are being taken in less dose as compared to protein. We take protein much higher as compared to lipid, because lipid give more energy as compared to protein. Understood? Now excess of lipid are stored in adipose connective tissue in the body. Okay.